Obaya. Yet say and say Kakwa DMP ZMP anya sotium. And see, apart from because say enyum tuono we no. A then she crying say. I say force when need politics one. I say we will be when need politics when need football. Just say I say what can you album combined in ya for
many just set me soon.
Okay.
It's not about politics. On any neutral grounds, me person me soon me mind.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Obi a menya akwanya bia me soon mind na me team na eye no. Me person me deliver. Sana eye me. Anya se ebia na maye madwene se inti grounds bia beba bia chance bia beba bia me soon mind Ghana ebeye bia no. Is what I'm trying to.
Nyankopon shraw. Obaya ade a wuye ene modern a wobui. Ye papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Me pacho odi akoto nanim na de emwa na wanya edi afino ho afi we.
I was a Drew World Cup where na enema ye menya any idea a whole lot of and some to the via aya akwenya no kra obenya kra se wodi asem bi ekoto panyini bi animu no aya na very difficult nti edu grounds we dia ase yenenamu yankopon ya dom na se adom bi frito ensem a na yafa sana yeti yenya akwenya na get to the emperor na kepepa but kwambe na abefa so o say you blockade bi o wa your team ewo oman we mu a obepese obekọ mama ya o but entourage na won ho no
edos
me ade ba ko a aye timi ha me a prevent me na esi kwan eye se mai to se me ko bo no de won hwe bi a de hwe nipa sa hwe no hwe wo hwe me pe na masan mintimi sa ayade bi a me mpe mintimi face
okay ba obaya wutuwe uwa kudru abudru ankasa de eya akukudru no uwobi wutuwe bebie ni hono ma ukasa wo kwa wontumi nko na memi minimu bebie ni hono ma ukasa wo kwa agese obi na show nsa na aso obi ni di wanim etutimi ni menkasa asem sa wo pesa wo koda ko hu o papa John President Mahama say no asa academy no nya
na menyanya menyanya attempt
of course
I need to get the right person.
Okay.
Ekwana eda ho no. Ye wo se ekwana da wo sa ba to fa so a emu ya tro.
Oh.
Ekwana da wo sa no.
Okay.
Purpose dot.
Okay.
Aja say enya ade a wo fa wa anko. Ebi no pabo. Ye nyina ye papa. But to get there enya easy sir. What I say enya ade a ya na eda form sir because businessmen cry omo my but me sure be because of fine I put there omo because of come on na wa catch we say oh I have be but what go on me oti anu ho na ansa na obedi ho no
na I don't need problem no
one hwe here ne abaye ho no and I mean sometimes they want me tie no always me I can me show ni ma make straight at you na me na me pesa me nya wo kasetia enti best na majai
na chai but adwuma pa wo yi ba boy nyina no me titi se ye papa President Mahama our handsome president papa wa adwumadi a wudi modern ba wa hu ni nyina because papa ye obi a me hu ne se enya me ne tsedie but me hu ne se social media no edu ba bia or the entertaining ne ho kakra ensem papa ebia ye kafa no ho and of course dwumadi a wudie wo ne wapamfo mu die nyina wa hu enti se unya kwanya ana se obi nti wonsa obi mwa ma nko hu papa na ne nkomo no papa nkasa nso betimi am afu bi so ama wafrew ama wakɔ office akɔ hono because you are doing a very great job.
Me bompa ese emeba me bompa ese mre bi bedura menya favor bi te se Esther de ni bi.
Amen.
Eno na ye bompa but me buade.
Yeah.
Me obi oni mi bia nim se me insura de me insuro ni pa.
I know.
Just say I am fearless. Me insura de but me buade
bunipa.
Enti ye nyine no enema bebre ho a ase wo mpese obeye the Bible say me ya abofra no edwene sa abofra na me nyine ye no me dia ne nyina aye den eto ho ye nyini ye wo ma ewo ye chi ye nko unnecessary ye nkogina ba bi enkan kasa bi ema obi enya wanum asem bi apart from bibia no we have to leave legacy enkofo bi hwe enkofo bi wa wu muamuda but you are mentoring their lives.
Yeah.
What you say na wahwe wa hu se ohuni asem na ochina because of ebi ade bi a wo pe enti awurade na mestre ne say one day bi o my way mu one day bi that could pe bi ebeye me so me da.
Wow. Yeah, that could be
a one day be
a because you share your boy ye World Cup ye obi ni I mean who obi a say or promote and I say or ye hu dede. I mean I just say wow ni utimi ya woni wabusuen ya de bia woni omokobe mo na mo ye bibia enti yesre nyankopon say onkoka ye papa president mama ene na pam for the penny for akoma na support bi ese omdema obia no omfa ma na me question ba ko ye obi se me miss out say somewhere 20 is it last year 2025 and I say emri bi atwam eye Stephen Apia okoka asem bi ema asem no ete wakoma ewo wakoma ho mpane ema wo ye say wejai Black Star atoho on support to be uni achire bi won fa ye on ade na eno no e den ne baaye di enka bobu enfu ntentem sa nti dia na wonua be ma
and I say I don't think so because me cause asem no bi say interview bia obi aye me na Ghana last time na meto no ni obi a person bia wate in 2026 we me repeat me ho interview bia me ko bia ni wa me repeat me ho
okay
obi wa ho oti achire just as minim say ya sometimes ko interview obi ti wo ti achire obi ti opesa die anya de ko de ni aba ya ne de ye hu ye onim but the fact say wo ya de no and eno na yenko ye nim as oman
okay
because always ye pesa ye fa adedada.
Okay.
Na ye ja ofo na ye na e de ye kapan no
kafra facha Peter sa question Stephen Apia
emana now
facha me
emana now but ye
nyambe no openchiri mu
ba bi nchire mu na ope no nchire mu nyina wo interview na ye no mu until the person don't need to send you any message to ask me that question again. And that question
and it's alleged. It's alleged.
I'm not alleged. It was something that we said and you're alleged.
Oh, okay.
And you be I can't say Zion fell is
oh, okay.
It's not anything alleged. And social media and intro and radio. And you know, Sabian there, me and I'm telling my opera tea. There have been 2 grounds. I'm sorry, I was here.
Send me to
I'm making that I've been 2 grounds. Anything about Black Star, so from me interview, what the bar, interview, no, your baby,
and your kafra, oba,
yeah, because I'm not ready to explain myself again.
Small oba, sexy eyes. Abro for hene facho me ebi nsi wadama pacho ye nyina ha na ye ntwa ye ho